Hello everyone, this is Shweta. Welcome to the Innovative Workspace. In this video, we will see how we can auto-save our PowerApps form in data source within a 5 second. So our client requirement is suppose we want to save our form in every 5 second. If user has update anything, then it will be auto update or auto saved. Let's see with this example. Suppose I have selected this record and I change some value. Here you can see it is updated 5 star 2. Now if we want to add a new record, click on this plus icon and then you can see we have one blank form, and here I just write something and wait. So you can see it is auto updated. We have a record, and if we want to update it, we are not clicking it submit button. It is auto pressed and then auto save. So how we can achieve this functionality? Let's see this video. I have one screen. In this screen, I have used one gallery, one form, one button, and one icon for new record. So this gallery, I have connected it with the one of my data source. Same, I have connected the form with the data source. Now, first we are creating one variable on the on visible. So I am using that variable in my local for this screen. So I'm using the local variable update context, where gal item selected id. For now I am making it blank. So what it will be do, just make it item selected. So on visible, what we are doing, we are just recording a blank value in this variable. On this arrow, apart from this blank, we will write this item. Form, we have a property of items. So we are pass that variable so that the value which is selected from the gallery, it will be reflect that value in the form. In form, we have a property of the form mode. It's called default mode. So what we are doing, if if is blank, if is blank, then we are making it as a form mode dot new. Else form mode dot edit. So it means when user will comes on the first time in this screen, then it will be show the form, the value becomes the blank and then the form become new. And if user is click on the gallery, and it will select some value from that, then it will be show as a edit. And suppose the requirement, if let me show you. Suppose if I am selecting this, and if user has put some value, after putting some value, it will be just auto saved and remain the same page. But if user has select some new record, and if he put some value and then it auto saved, after that form becomes blank. So for that, on submit button, what I am writing here, if same the we have used now, that one, if is blank. If is blank means we are just working for the new record. So if it's blank, then submit form. After that, our form name is form 3 underscore 1. Submit form. After that, reset form. Else, if the variable has some value, then we just only want a submit form. That's all. This is for the submit condition. If this is a new, then it will be just submit, after that reset. But if it is updating some value of the existing record from gallery, then it will be just only submit the record or updating the record. Now let me add one timer over here, so that we can uh, apply that within 5 seconds. It is working 5 second or 10 second. To trick question you, I am using the 5 second. So for 5 second, we have to write the 5000 under the duration property, and then we wants to occur this job with simultaneously in every 5 second. So for that, we have a repeat property. We have to make it true. We want to, it will be auto start. So we have a functionality of auto start. Make it true. Now the important one, which is the on timer end. This functionality is used for the when time end. It means when 5000 milliseconds has been complete. After that, what it should be. So we are just writing select our form name is form 3 underscore 1. Not sorry. Select our button name. So what it will be do, in every 5 seconds, it will be press that button. Okay, suppose I select this much. I have written some value over here. Within 5 seconds, it is working well. Now the time is for the new record. We have a plus icon. On plus icon, What we can do, just copy that value, and we are passing the blank value to the same variable, so that what it will be do, it will be change the item property of this form, and then form becomes blank. So I am just clicking plus icon, you can see all value has been gone up. Now I am new dummy, you can see it is saved. Okay, now the issue is, suppose if I select this, you can see it is creating lots of duplicate record. Why? Because in every 5 seconds we are just pressing this submit button, that's why this lots of the blank value has been come as a record. So how we can stop this? Select this button, and we have to write some condition over here. If is blank, suppose if is not blank. Okay, so first we are doing for the gallery record. So if it is not blank, it means the variable have some value. Then select button 6 underscore 1, else it means if this is blank, then select button 6 underscore 1, then create a variable set auto save is true. And what we are doing, we are just creating one variable also. Suppose I come on the screen and I just type some value in one of the field, and I just like looking within 5 minutes and without changing any record. So what it will be do, it will create duplicate too much record. So to stopping that, what we are doing, we are just creating, if this is blank, and then press this button, and we are creating one variable, it auto saved is true. Okay, after pressing button, just create one variable which is auto save is true. So is blank, and auto saved is equal to false. Then select this button and make this variable as a true. Oh, my mistake. And Coming to the onVisible property, we have to make it false. So that when it can be store the new form value when this value is false, and also in pressing of this plus icon, set false, so that when first time we click on this plus icon and we are not doing any changes in our record, so it will be stored that value, and after that what it will be do, it will be just true this auto saved value, and after if you will like waiting for the 10 minutes 20 minutes or any of the time, so it will be not save duplicate record because the value is true. When you will click on the on visible or plus icon, then it will become a false. Okay. And also suppose if I come in first time and the value is blank and I did not change anything, all fields is blank, and what it will be do, it will be create empty record. So how we can stop this? Suppose we are saying this first field is mandatory to fill out, so we have to just copy that name. So suppose if the value is fill in this field, or you can do if any of the fields, you can use the or function and you can use the any of the field is have some value, then it can be do auto save. So what we can, if this is blank as a gal item selected, auto save is false and is not blank, this data card value. Okay, so now let's see. Suppose I click on this plus icon and then I am waiting. You can see there's a three record is empty and I am waiting for 5 seconds. You can see nothing is happening. Okay, but if I filled something in this field, support testing, what it will be do, it is creating a one record because we have that value, and after that what you see, it is blank out that value from the form. And now let's wait for 5 seconds. You can see no any record is there. And if I want to update that existing record, 45, you can see it is updated. So to using that functionality, we can achieve this one. Thank you. Thanks for watching.